Can you imagine paying $500 to get your own custom fabric made in Vietnam? That is what I'm doing at KOTT in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Hi, my name is Chris. I've been working as a fashion startup consultant in Vietnam for more than 15 years. Hire me to help you launch your production in Vietnam cost effectively. KOTT is a leading global testing, inspection, certification, and research institute with roots in the textile industry. They were founded in 1961 as Korea's first textile testing organization. It has grown over 65 years into a comprehensive provider of advanced quality assurance services and fabric development services. They're headquartered in Korea. KOTT operates internationally to support brands and manufacturers. Here you see me reviewing their fabric R&D center in Vietnam. KOTT Vietnam was established in 2013 as a subsidiary. They support the vibrant textile and garment sector in Vietnam. I had the privilege of visiting their fabric development center and gained new insight as to how circular knit fabric is made. Their lab in Vietnam provides localized, accredited testing services for fast turnaround. KOTT Vietnam offers expert inspection services for textiles and apparel, as well as other consumer goods, and they do on-site and lab-based quality checks, plus physical evaluations like checking the strength, the shrinkage, or color fastness of your fabric. And they offer supply chain verification to meet international buyer requirements. They also offer certification services including product safety, eco-labels, hazardous substance compliance, and they have their own proprietary labels like KOTT label. In Korea, it's designated for national certifications. In Vietnam, the lab holds VLAS accreditation for recognized reports in global markets. Their R&D services focus on innovation textile research, like the double-sided French terry fabric that I'm developing that has microfiber polyester yarn on the outer face for sublimation printing and cotton yarn on the inside face for a better hand feel against the skin. If you're sourcing or manufacturing in Vietnam and want an insider look at KOTT Vietnam's state-of-the-art labs and services, hire me. My Instagram handle is @factory_tour_Vietnam to arrange a guided factory tour, and let's visit KOTT together. Let's connect to explore how KOTT can boost your fashion startup brand here in Vietnam.